Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy CDs on Trade. We'll walk through the entire process, from logging in to making your first purchase. CDs can be a great addition to your portfolio, offering predictable returns with lower risk. I'll show you exactly where to find them and what to look for to make informed decisions. Once logged in, head to the Investments tab at the top. From there, you'll see an option for bonds and CDs. This section is your gateway to all available certificates of deposit. You can then use the powerful filtering tools to narrow down your choices, perhaps by a specific maturity date or the issuing bank. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to compare the various CD offerings. Look closely at the interest rates and the maturity dates. Pay attention to the minimum investment, which is often $1,000. Once you've made your selection, review all the details of your order on the confirmation screen before you finalize the purchase. It's important to understand different CD features. Some are callable, meaning the issuer can redeem them before maturity. Also, be mindful of early withdrawal penalties, which can reduce your earnings. A popular strategy is CD laddering, where you invest in CDs with varying maturity dates to maintain liquidity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.